Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the screensaver on your Apple TV. It's a simple process, so let's get right to it. First, make sure you're on the home screen of your Apple TV. Then, scroll down and find the Settings application. Go ahead and click into that. Once you're inside the Settings app, scroll down until you see Screensaver and select it. Here, you'll see several screensaver options. To change your current screensaver, click on Current Selection. You'll have the choice between aerial shots, memories, slideshows, and portraits. Choose whichever option you prefer to set it up. For this example, we'll select the aerials option. Once you've set up your current selection, go back. Here you'll find more options. Now, if you want to adjust when the screensaver starts after a certain amount of inactivity, click on Start After. Here you can choose how long your Apple TV needs to be inactive before the screensaver kicks in. We'll choose 15 minutes for this example. You can also choose whether or not to show the screensaver music and podcasts. For this example, we will leave that off. You can further customize your screensaver preferences by selecting the screensaver type you have. Since we chose aerials, we will click on Aerials. Within the aerial preferences, you can choose the download frequency. I currently have it set to weekly, but you can choose between monthly, daily, or never. If we go back, you can also choose which themes you'd like to show in your aerial screensaver options. I've decided to show them all. Now that you've set up your screensaver on your Apple TV, you can go all the way back to the home screen and continue using your Apple TV as usual. And that's how you set up screensavers on your Apple TV. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.